Hello everyone, Ni Hao and Assalamu Alaikum. I am thankful to the organizers, Chinese Kunming Academy of South and Southeast Asian Studies and Yunnan Academy of Social Sciences for giving me this opportunity to participate and talk in this very unique session. Most of the participants of this session are academics and intellectuals, and we, the intellectuals, the academics, know that tea has a very close psychological, sentimental, and spiritual relationship with academic activity. Tea, it would not be wrong to say, is the romance of life. Most of the participants of this session are well aware of the tea culture around the globe, particularly in South and Southeast Asia. Let me share with you something about Pakistan, my country, in this connection. While the dominant aspect of tea culture in Pakistan revolves around the black tea or the milk tea, which was introduced here being part of the British Empire. But this is not all about the tea culture of areas that make up today's Pakistan. People of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan provinces of Pakistan have a long-standing relationship with green tea called kahwa or kawa here for centuries, if not millennia. And yes, how can we overlook the glorious Kashmiri tea, which is part of the culture here for centuries, if not millennia. Tea has a seemingly inseparable relationship with daily work routines, household lives, social gatherings, public meetings, and so on. The name of Pakistan Tea House, the iconic establishment in Lahore, which was symbol of progressive intellectual and literary activity, stands out as one example of tea's phenomenal role in Pakistani society in recent decades. Pakistan is one of the major consumers and, as a matter of fact, major importers of tea. Over past few years, Pakistan has been spending on average around 600 to 700 million US dollars on import of tea every year. Well, when we talk about 600 to 700 million dollars, it is a huge amount for an economy like Pakistan. Well, we also should share and keep in mind that Pakistan has a vast terrain, especially in its northern parts, where tea can be cultivated at thousands of hectares of land. Pakistan-China cooperation in this connection dates back to 1980s, when the two countries started collaborating and sharing expertise on cultivation and production of tea in Pakistan. A national tea research institute was established in Pakistan with the help of China, and plantation was started on a demonstration field. It was quite a large demonstration field. Later, some private Pakistani setups also ventured into it, but overall the initiatives remain far from being meaningful and commercially viable. Now, with China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is multifaceted program of economic and social sector cooperation, Pakistan and China are once again in the process of rejuvenating tea plantation and production cooperation on modern commercial lines. Sharing of modern knowledge, expertise, and technology are important considerations of this re-emerging cooperation. Tea, as we all know, does not only refresh human body and spirits. Tea actually has the potential to refresh and invigorate local, regional, and national economies. It has the potential to take populations out of chains of poverty and deprivation. Chinese experience in this regard is a shining example. In this background, there is vast scope of enhanced, target-oriented, broad-based cooperation in the field between China on one hand and countries like Pakistan on the other. Gradually, with interactions between people of Pakistan and China increasing, one can witness an enhanced liking for Chinese teas in Pakistan. As this session is being organized by institutions based in Yunnan, the province which in my view is tea house of China in more ways than one, let me share here with you that I have for long been advocating province to province cooperation between Yunnan at one hand and Pakistani provinces such as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in terms of tea production, cultivation and commercialization. I also have been recommending sister city relationships with regions such as Ford in Yunnan and for example Mansehra in Pakistan for this purpose of tea-centric cooperation. It indeed can be the beginning towards a large-scale cooperation between the two countries. Let us all resolve to keep strengthening our win-win cooperation with the help of this very important beverage, that is tea. And with these few thoughts, I thank you for listening to me.